So when it comes to estate planning, most people think about that as what happens when I die? Where does my estate go? Where does my stuff go when I die? And of course, that is something that happens with estate planning is maybe you have a will and it says where your assets go, or maybe you have a revocable living trust or other kind of trust and it says where do your assets go. But what's really important, something that I want to talk about with you today, is how does estate planning protect you during your lifetime? Because, in my opinion, as an estate planning and elder law attorney, it's more important to protect you while you're alive than making sure where your assets go when you're gone. Both are important, but more important is making sure that you and your decision making, your autonomy, your voice, your wishes are heard and that you are protected while you are alive. So, how does estate planning do that? If you have a will, that only covers what happens when you're gone. In your estate plan, you should have what I call living documents. Living documents are durable powers of attorney for finances, for healthcare, and a medical directive that's called, depending on where you live, it's called an advance directive or a healthcare directive. It's commonly known as a living will. Those are the basic living documents that should be a part of your estate plan. And we will talk about those today. We're also going to be talking about how do you protect your assets while you're alive, especially against long-term care costs. How do you protect your assets while you're alive from threats, creditors' claims, and such? So we'll talk a bit about trusts, revocable trust, irrevocable trusts, LLCs. Those are limited liability companies. Those are the primary ways that you can protect your assets while you're alive. And again, keep in mind that I'm going to be talking about Washington state law. If you live in a different state, your laws are going to govern what kind of protections do you get from these various legal entities.